Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Kenny. I have a very exciting craft for you today. We are going to make little turtles. I love turtles. So we have an egg carton and we have some paint. We have one pipe cleaner and a pom-pom and some glue, a paintbrush, and some scissors. That's what we need today. So what we're going to do first is open up the egg carton. Nothing inside, and I'm going to cut off the top. So just cut along the little fold. And it doesn't matter how you do it. So if you have your safety scissors, you can do this. And then cut off this little flap. Now make sure, see where my fingers are? My fingers are right here along this side. We're gonna cut on the other side. That way we don't cut our fingers. And we're gonna cut right along this other fold over here. And throw that away. And now, I'm gonna flip it over. Do you see all these little humps? These can all be little turtles. So I'm gonna hold over here while I cut on this side. And I'm going to cut right in between the humps. Do you see that? It's not too hard. You can do it with your safety scissors and cut it off. And then you can put your fingers inside this, put your thumb on top, and then cut right down the middle. That way you will not cut your fingers. So I have my little turtles all ready. So what you want to do with your pipe cleaner, you're going to cut it into little pieces. This is about 3 inches long. It doesn't matter how much. And you're going to fold it. So I'm going to fold it in half and then twist around, just like that. Okay, I wanted to show you again up close. So I fold it in half and then I take one side and I twist it around the other side. So I leave a little bit of the one side open or over. And then I do it one more time because these are his legs. So we need 4 legs because turtles have 4 legs. And then I have this little teeny tiny piece left over. That's going to be his tail. So we have these all ready. And then I took the pom-pom and put little googly eyes on top and already so they can dry. And that's going to be his head for his eyes. So now what we get to do is we get to paint the turtle. Oops, I'm going to take that piece off. So I have 2 different color greens and a brown. And what you can do with the egg carton is use it as a paint holder. And I can put my paint in there so it'll be nice and contained when I need it. Oh, well, those are about the same color. Let's see if they dry the same. So I have my paint and I have my turtle shell, and now I get to paint my turtle. Oh, that has some there. So I'm going to just take the paint and go all around. I want to be able to get all of the little nooks and crannies in here, but it doesn't matter if it's totally coated or if it's a little splotchy. It'll just give the turtle some character. And then we get to make a design on top after. So we just want to make sure that the green goes all the way around. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just want to make a green turtle because I've never seen a white turtle before. You might have seen a white turtle. Tell me if you've seen a white turtle, but I've only seen green and brown turtles. But if you want to make a purple turtle, you can make a purple turtle. If you want to make an orange turtle, you can make an orange turtle. Whatever you'd like. I'm making a green turtle. So I have some paint on my fingers. That's okay. I have a paper towel right over here. I just wipe it off. And then I'm going to rinse out my green. Use my paper towel. And then what I'm going to do, and it's okay if it's still wet, you can dip it in another color. I'm choosing brown, and I'm going to put 1 dot right on the top. And if you want to do other designs, that's fine, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this dot. So after this dries, or you can do it while it's wet, you're going to stick in the legs. So you should, if you get underneath, you just poke them right through and kind of hook them around. Should be pretty easy to do. Ooh, I say that. And just poke them in and squish. That way they don't fall out. See, my fingers are getting a little paint on them. That is absolutely fine. What do? We just wipe them off when we can. So one more leg. There we go. And then get his little itty bitty tail and then stick it in right there. And then you want to have him sticking out a little bit so then he lays flat. There, just like that. I'm going to take my, I'm going to wipe off my fingers. I'm going to take my paint. Since mine didn't get to dry all the way, I should have had a sample made. I'm going to go like that. And then I'm going to take my little head, put some glue, and hold him by the tail and stick his head on just like that. Do you see a little turtle? Oops. How adorable is he? So cute. Do you see the little turtle? How adorable is he? I love it. In addition to making turtles, we can also make ladybugs. Now, turtles only have 4 legs, but ladybugs have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you'll just need to put 6 legs in, and I just left them long instead of turning them over, so it's a little easier. And do you see how I put 1 dot on top of my ladybug, just like I put 1 dot on top of the turtle? That way we can play this game that I have. So I have 5 leaves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they all have a different amount of dots on top. And I need to match 1 dot on the ladybug to 1 dot on the leaf, because this ladybug wants to eat from the leaf with 1 dot. So this one has 1 dot, so she's going to crawl over to this leaf, and she's going to nibble on that leaf. Now on this one, I have 2 dots, 1, 2. So I need to find the leaf that has 2 dots. So I need to go over, and this one's going to eat over here. Now I have 3 dots, 1, 2, 3 dots on this ladybug. So this ladybug's gonna go over. It's to go right here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that the same as 3? No. Let's go to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that the same as 3? No. We need to go to the next one. 1, 2, 3. That is 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 3. So this ladybug's going to nibble on this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4 on this next ladybug. And we just counted 4 over here, didn't we? So she's going to come over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one is 5. So this one's going to come all the way over. Now you can mix up the leaves and have as much fun. And then also you can go and make 10. So you could have 10 ladybugs and 10 leaves. You also could flip the leaf over and write the numbers down. So the numbers, you can match the number of dots to the numbers. So I hope you have fun with this game. Enjoy your little ladybugs and turtles. I'll see you later. Bye.